click the Layout tab on the ribbon. In the Page Setup group, click the Margins button. The Margins gallery opens. In the Margins gallery, click Wide. Word adjusts the margins according to your selection. Click the Insert tab on the ribbon. In the Illustrations group, click the Shapes button. The Shapes gallery opens. In the Stars and Banners section, click the Up ribbon shape. With the pointer in the shape of a crosshair, position the pointer above the first character in the heading. Click and drag the pointer down and to the right to draw a ribbon about as wide as the heading, and then release the mouse button. An up ribbon shape is inserted above the heading. Select the text box on page 2. Click the Drawing Tools Format tab on the ribbon. In the Size group, click the Shape Height box. Type 1.9 to set the height of the text box to 1.9 inches and press Enter. Word changes the height so the text box is resized to the exact dimensions you entered. In the Size group, click the Shape Width box. Type 2 to set the width of the text box to 2 inches and press Enter. Word changes the width so the text box is resized to the exact dimensions you entered. Select the orange banner shape. Type Banner Year for Ice Cream in the shape. As you type, the text appears in the shape and wraps to a second line. Click the shape to select it. Click the Drawing Tools Format tab. In the Shape Styles group, click the More button. Word displays the Shape Styles gallery. Click the Moderate Effect Orange Accent 2 style, the 5th option in the 3rd column of Theme Styles. Word applies the style to the shape, which changes its fill color and adds an outline and bevel. Click the text box. Click the Drawing Tools Format tab. In the Shape Styles group, click the More button. Word displays the Shape Styles gallery. Click the Subtle Effect Bright Green Accent 5 shape style, the 4th option in the 6th column of Theme Styles. Word applies the shape style to the text box. In the Shape Styles group, click the Outline button. Word displays the Shape Outline gallery. Click the Bright Green Accent 5 Darker 50% color square, the last option in the 9th column of Theme Colors. Word applies the color to the outline of the text box. Click the Design tab on the ribbon. In the Document Formatting group, click the Themes button. In the Office category, click Berlin. The font style, font size, and font color change in the headings. The fill color in the table also changes. Click the Insert tab on the ribbon. In the Illustrations group, click the Online Pictures button. The Insert Pictures dialog box opens, which you use to search for pictures on the web. Type ice cream cone in the Bing Image Search text box. Press Enter. Word searches for online pictures that match the search text. In the search results, click the first picture thumbnail. A blue border appears around the thumbnail, indicating it is selected, and details about the picture appear below the search results. Click Insert. Word inserts the picture into the document. Point to the Glacier Ice Creamery picture, and then click to drag it to the left of the Best Ice Cream on the Planet heading. The picture appears to the left of the heading, and the heading shifts to the right to accommodate the picture. Select the blue star at the end of the document. In the Clipboard group on the Home tab, click the Copy button. A copy of the selected shape is stored on the Office clipboard. Click the destination location, the blank paragraph at the beginning of the document. In the Clipboard group, click the Paste button. Word inserts a copy of the shape at the insertion point. Click the Insert tab on the ribbon. In the Symbols group, click the Symbol button. The Symbol Gallery opens. In the Symbol Gallery, click More Symbols. The Symbol dialog box opens to the Webdings font gallery. Other symbol fonts are available. In the Symbols gallery, in the Symbol dialog box, click the large dot symbol, Webdings with character code 61. Click Insert. Click Close. Word inserts the large dot symbol at the insertion point. Select the letterhead paragraphs starting with Glacier and ending with 5,000. In the paragraph group, click the Borders arrow. The Borders gallery appears. In the Borders gallery, click Outside Borders. An outside border surrounds the selected letterhead text from margin to margin. Right-click the Nutrition hyperlink. The mini toolbar and the shortcut menu appear. On the shortcut menu, click Remove Hyperlink. Word removes the hyperlink from the selected text. Click in the second body paragraph. In the Styles group on the Home tab, click the More button. Word displays a gallery of styles. In the Styles gallery, click the Intense Quote style. Word applies the set of formatting options in the intense quote style to the paragraph, including italics, font color, top and bottom borders, paragraph spacing, and left and right indents. In the Paragraph group on the Home tab, click the Paragraph dialog box launcher. In the lower left corner of the Paragraph dialog box, click Tabs. In the Tabs dialog box, enter 3.5 in the Tab Stop Position text box. You can choose an alignment and a leader option, or accept the default selections left and none. Click Set. The custom tab of 3.5 appears on the tab list. Click OK. A left tab marker appears on the ruler at the 3.5-inch mark. Press Tab. The line of text is aligned with the tab stop you set. Click the blank paragraph above the address to place the insertion point. Click the Insert tab on the ribbon. In the text group on the Insert tab, click the Date and Time button. The Date and Time dialog box opens with a list of formats to choose from. You can also select Update Automatically to have the selection update to the current date and time when you open or print the document. In the Date and Time dialog box, under Available Formats, click the third option, Month, DD, YYYY. Click OK. The current date appears at the insertion point. Select the first two paragraphs in the document, which include the logo and the address line. Click the Insert tab on the ribbon. In the text group, click the Quick Parts button. Word displays the Quick Part gallery. Click Save Selection to Quick Part Gallery. The Create New Building Block dialog box opens. Type letterhead in the Name text box. Click OK. Word adds a new quick part named Letterhead to the Quick Parts gallery. Click the Insert tab on the ribbon. In the text group, click the Quick Parts button. Word displays the Quick Part gallery. Click Building Blocks Organizer. The Building Blocks Organizer dialog box opens. In the list, under the building blocks in the Tables gallery, click Calendar 2. Click the Insert button. Word inserts the calendar building block at the insertion point and closes the Building Blocks Organizer dialog box. Click the blank paragraph at the beginning of the document. Click the Insert tab on the ribbon. In the text group, click the Quick Parts button. Word displays the Quick Part gallery. Click Letterhead. word inserts the quick part at the insertion point. Place the insertion point in the blank paragraph below the Let Me Introduce paragraph. Click the Insert tab on the ribbon. In the Tables group, click the Table button. The Table menu displays a grid and options for working with tables. On the Table menu, click Insert Table. In the Insert Table dialog box, enter 4 in the Number of Columns text box. In the Insert Table dialog box, enter 3 in the Number of Rows text box. Click OK. A table with 4 columns and 3 rows is inserted in the document. Click the first empty table cell. Enter 200 in the cell. Press Tab. Pressing Tab advances to the next cell quickly. Remember not to press Enter, which adds a new paragraph to the current cell instead. Enter 10% in the cell. You entered data in the table. Place the insertion point in the table. The Table Tools tabs become available on the ribbon. Click the Table Tools Design tab. In the Table Styles group, in the Table Styles gallery, click the More button. The Table Styles gallery expands. In the Table Styles gallery, click the Grid Table 5 Dark Accent 6 option. Word formats the table with the style you selected. Select the table. The Table Tools tabs become available on the ribbon. Click the Table Tools Layout tab on the ribbon. In the Cell Size group, click the Auto Fit button. The AutoFit menu opens. On the AutoFit menu, click AutoFit Contents. Word sizes the table columns to be the same width as the content. Point to the left of the second table row, and then click when the mouse changes to a right-pointing white block arrow. Word selects the second table row. Select the text in the first column of the table. Click the Table Tools Layout tab on the ribbon. The alignment buttons on the Table Tools Layout tab align cell contents vertically and horizontally. In the Alignment group, click the Align Bottom Right button. The table data in the first column is aligned along the bottom and right of each cell. Point to the table with the mouse pointer and click the Table Move handle. The table is highlighted in gray, indicating that it is selected. Place the insertion point in the Gelato row. The Table Tools tabs are available on the ribbon. Click the Table Tools Layout tab. In the Rows and Columns group, click the Insert Above button. Word inserts a new row above the gelato row. Place the insertion point in the air column. In the Rows and Columns group on the Table Tools Layout tab, click the Insert Left button. Word inserts a new column to the left of the air column. Select the first row of the table. Click the Table Tools Layout tab. In the Merge group, click the Merge Cells button. The boundaries between the 5 selected cells are removed, creating a single cell that spans all of the columns in the table. In the 4th row of the table, click the cell containing Gelato. To delete a row from a table, you can select any cell in that row. Click the Table Tools Layout tab on the ribbon. In the Rows and Columns group, click the Delete button. The Delete menu opens. On the Delete menu, click Delete Rows. The data and all the cells in the row are removed from the table. The remaining rows below the deleted row move up. In the 3rd column of the table, click the cell containing fat content. To delete a column from a table, you can select any cell in that column. In the Rows and Columns group, click the Delete button. The Delete menu opens. On the Delete menu, click Delete Columns. The data and all the cells in the column are removed from the table. The remaining columns beside the deleted column move over. Click the Mailings tab on the ribbon. In the Create group, click the Envelopes button. The Envelopes and Labels dialog box opens with the Envelopes tab on top. Word automatically copies the address from the document into the delivery address text box. Click Print. The envelope is sent to the printer, and the Envelopes and Labels dialog box closes.